Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Low Carb Diet Books is probably one of the most sought-after resources for individuals embarking on a weight loss journey, offering a comprehensive guide to navigating the complexities of low-carb eating, from understanding macronutrients and meal planning to creating delicious and satisfying recipes that fit the dietary restrictions. This video will dive into the top-selling books, examining their strengths and weaknesses to help you choose the perfect companion for your low-carb transformation. Number 5. Weight Loss Meal Prep. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. This program provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Each week, it offers a structured meal plan designed for easy preparation and delicious results. Follow the plan and you'll see a difference. It's packed with a variety of recipes to keep you engaged and satisfied. You won't get bored with the same old meals. It helps you manage your portions effectively, ensuring you're eating the right amount for healthy weight loss. It's all about balance. It's more than just a diet, it's about building healthy habits that will support your weight loss journey long-term. It empowers you to make sustainable changes. With consistent effort and the support of this program, you'll achieve your weight loss goals and feel healthier than ever. Start your journey today. What we like. It provides you with practical weekly plans and delicious recipes. These plans are designed for healthy weight loss. If you need structured guidance and prefer a balanced approach, this is perfect for you. What people say. With a focus on efficiency, this book empowers readers to prepare nutritious meals in batches, alleviating the stress of daily cooking and allowing you to enjoy healthy options throughout the week. The meal plans are well organized and infused with a Mediterranean and Dash diet focus, offering diverse, flavorful recipes like cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes and crunchy rainbow salad that are both satisfying and easy to execute. The included shopping lists and tips on food storage and reheating make sticking to your goals even easier. Number 4. Keto for carb lovers. Embark on a delicious and effective weight loss journey with our comprehensive keto guide. It's packed with recipes and a meal plan to make it easy. Discover a world of flavor with over 100 mouth-watering, low-carb, high-fat recipes. Say goodbye to boring keto meals. It's all about satisfying your cravings with healthy fats. These recipes are designed to keep you full and energized. Follow our easy-to-use 21-day meal plan. It takes the guesswork out of keto and helps you stay on track. This planner provides structure and support for your keto journey. It's your ultimate companion for success. With this guide, you'll have the tools and resources you need to reach your weight loss goals. Start your transformation today. What we like. This book offers a wide variety of keto recipes and a structured 21-day plan. It's ideal for those embracing a high-fat, low-carb lifestyle. If you are a keto enthusiast seeking diverse recipes and a guided plan, this is the one for you. What people say. Every recipe I have made has gotten a thumbs up. Very satisfying and flavorful. The ingredients are easy to find, budget-friendly, and recipes quick and easy with results that taste like they took much more time. Cooking instructions are very clear, ingredients are standard, not hard to find. Everything I've tried so far has been flavorful and easy to make. This is a nice quality book. The spiral binding allows it to lay flat on the counter, and the pages are heavy, glossy. This book is pricey, but those magazines in the grocery stores labeled keto for $13.99, and filled with so many advertisements. I've had this book for 3 days and I've eaten mostly all that you see in the Pics Plus protein and I feel really good and still maintained my weight. I'm going to test every recipe. Number 3. Easy Low Carb Cookbook. Welcome to a world of delicious and satisfying low-carb recipes. This cookbook makes healthy eating simple and enjoyable, no matter your experience level. It's packed with 130 recipes to suit any low-carb lifestyle. Discover exciting new flavors and meal options that fit your needs. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow, using readily available ingredients. Get ready to create restaurant-quality meals at home. It's perfect whether you're new to low-carb or a seasoned pro. You can easily adapt the recipes to your preferences and dietary restrictions. This cookbook is your guide to a healthier, happier you. Let's embark on this delicious low-carb adventure together. Browse through a variety of recipes, from savory mains to delightful desserts. There's something for everyone to enjoy. What we like. It boasts a large collection of recipes suitable for various low-carb diets. It offers flexibility for different preferences and needs within a low-carb framework. If you value choice and adaptability in your low-carb journey, this cookbook is for you. What people say. The best one is the taco casserole. My boys devoured it. Good doable recipes. Not complex. Nice assortment of recipes. 279 pages. 7.5 wide x 9.25 tall. Nice size and easy to handle. This is a great low-carb cookbook. I've struggled with doing low-carb in the past, but this cookbook has lots of delicious recipes that make low-carb easy. The homemade ranch dressing recipe is our household favorite. Number 2. Atkins Diet for Beginners. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to lose weight? This program makes it easier than ever before. Let's explore how it can help you achieve your goals. It's easier to follow than other popular diets like keto or paleo. It simplifies the process, making weight loss manageable and sustainable. You could lose up to 30 pounds in just 30 days. It's a fast and effective way to see real results. This isn't just about quick weight loss, it's about keeping it off. It provides the tools and knowledge for long-term success. It comes with 80 low-carb recipes to keep you satisfied and on track. Enjoy delicious food while achieving your weight loss goals. Ready to transform your health and feel your best? Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. What we like. It simplifies the low-carb process, making it easier than other diets. It promises significant weight loss and includes many recipes. If you're a beginner seeking a straightforward approach with guaranteed results, this is your best bet. What people say. It provides an easy-to-understand method of low-carb eating. Very helpful book. Helps to plan out what to do and how. Also, helps you to prepare for pitfalls. Lots of recipes. This book has explained this process in ways that is easier to understand. Number 1. Low Carb Diet Recipes. Embark on a simple and effective weight loss journey with our beginner-friendly low-carb recipes. It's easier than you think to start eating delicious, healthy meals that support your goals. This diet focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake to help your body burn fat for energy. It's a sustainable approach to weight management, not a fad diet. This recipe is quick to prepare and packed with flavor. It's a perfect example of how delicious and satisfying low-carb meals can be. Enjoy a comforting and flavorful soup without the guilt. This recipe is low in carbs and high in taste. This recipe is a simple yet elegant meal that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. It's packed with nutrients and is naturally low in carbs. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body. Small changes can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. We provide a sample meal plan to guide you through the first week. It's designed to be flexible and adaptable to your preferences. Download our recipe book and begin your transformation to a healthier, happier you. It's time to take control of your health and well-being. What we like. It's perfect for those new to low-carb eating, offering essential recipes to jumpstart weight loss. It provides a solid foundation for beginners. If you are starting your low-carb journey and need a simple, effective guide, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The first part of this informative and upbeat little book tells you what a low-carb diet is and all the good things it does for you. Basically, it's about losing weight, but there are many related health benefits, including increased energy, better cholesterol levels, diabetes prevention, and alleviation of depression. Low Carb Diet for Beginners examines trendy low-carb diets as prospective weight loss strategies, underscoring additional accompanying physiological health benefits, i.e., lowered cholesterol, reduced risk of diabetes, eased depression. The authors propose that restricting carbs effectively rewires your biological system, i.e., hormones, metabolic regulation, into needing less carbs to properly function, while simultaneously breaking down fat storage as a means of energy and fuel in lieu of carbs, assisting you in ultimately, you guess it, losing weight. Also, no need to rush and purchase any textbooks clarifying any technical verbosity. The scientific details, complexities and advocacy of low-carb diets, and their correlation to significant weight loss and improving diverse facets of health, are conveyed in simple, straightforward terms. There's lots more, including shopping and preparation tips galore and a weekly diet plan to help you get started. And if you think your taste buds will be missing out, there's a bevy of mouth-watering recipes, including, for breakfast, spring pea mint frittata with goat cheese and panetta, and for dinner, lemon rosemary seared steak with asparagus and mushrooms. When you're ready for dessert, try some chocolate and vanilla meringue swirls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.